If you're about to head out for a run or other activity and you want to use your hDrop device, but you don't want to take your phone with you, you can use it on its own with your Garmin watch. There are other ways to do this, but in this video, I'm going to focus on the Garmin watch. And this is really nice if you want to take off, go for a run, you don't want to carry your phone with me. For me, I generally do not carry my phone on some shorter runs. If I'm not going to be carrying a pack or anything, I don't like to have it with me. So how do we go about doing this? Well, first things first, really important, you're going to need to install the hDrop app into, let's see if I can get this focused on there. You're going to need to use the Garmin, what's it called? The IQ Connect or whatever the little Garmin app store is. You're going to need to install that. And then we're going to go in and I am going to show you on the app the process for doing this. Of course, it's important that you have the hDrop device on and that it is connected to your phone. If you need help with that, you can look at the docs or go through some troubleshooting, but basically just make sure it's powered up. You've got the battery charged and it's ready to go. Okay, so now let's flip over to the phone and see how we're going to do this as I'll talk through it and give you a little bit of instructions to what you would be doing with your watch, which is fairly simple. All right, so we're going to click on a new activity. We're going to wait for it connects. You can see it's discovering, connecting, and once it is connected, we'll give it a second here. Are we connected? There we go. All right, we can click on how to connect with Garmin, but really you can see the buttons there. Click Connect Garmin. All you're going to really need to do though is if you've already installed the app, you just bring up your activity like a run and you can cycle through the data screens until you see the hDrop app. And if you don't have that, you just need to add that to your data screens. You don't need to open the hDrop app on your phone. And you should be able to see now that activity is on Garmin and you're ready to go. When you come back, you're going to click that button. Okay, so after coming in from a run, obviously, go ahead and stop and save your activity. And you'll have a button on the screen, which you can see on the side there. Go ahead and press that after you've saved the activity and it's kind of closed out and you're back to your watch home screen. You'll have the app and then you can go through and check out your activity, look at all the details, go into that. And that is basically it. So pretty simple. And as of right now, the instructions that they give you, as you can see, are not quite what you need to do, although it makes it simpler the way you can actually do it. It's very nice to leave your phone at home if you're not wanting to bring it with you, like I do on some of these runs where I'm not wearing a vest or anything like that. So hopefully this is helpful for you. If you have any questions, comments, anything about that, leave it below and I'll get back to you. Thanks.